The Line Blaster 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a powerful and versatile solution for year-round indoor comfort. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. Designed with a 3-in-1 function, it serves as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, making it ideal for handling varying weather conditions or fluctuating room temperatures. Whether you're looking to cool a large bedroom, a small office, or a studio apartment up to 550 square feet, this unit delivers with precision. It provides adjustable fan speeds, an automatic swing function, and a broad cooling range from 61 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, controlled conveniently through a sleek LED panel or a full-function remote. Even if the power goes out, the auto restart feature brings your settings back immediately, making it truly worry-free. Performance meets sustainability in the Line Blaster AC with its high energy efficiency ratio of 6 in use of R32 refrigerant, which is both effective and environmentally conscious. In hot climates, its ChillTech cooling mechanism brings down temperatures rapidly in a 550 square foot space, expected drop from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit in just about 15 minutes. Not only is this fast, but it's also cost effective. It means you get premium cooling without the premium power bill. Sleep mode adds another layer of smart energy saving, reducing both energy consumption and noise, operating at a low 52 dB so you can enjoy restful sleep without interruption. Installation is made easy with the included window kit, slide bar, exhaust hose, and adapters. Its compact footprint and 360 degrees rotating wheels allow the unit to be moved effortlessly between rooms, giving you the flexibility to cool exactly where and when it's needed. Maintenance is equally simple thanks to the auto-evaporative drainage system and washable mesh filter, ensuring a fresh and consistent performance over time. With the Line Blaster Portable Air Conditioner, you get more than just cooling, you get smart climate control and an elegant and mobile design that adapts to your lifestyle.